ever wondered what goes on inside a wastewater treatment plant? Well, on Saturday, November 19th, we're going to show you. That's our Thanksgiving tour. And what's going to happen is we'll have from noon to 4, we'll have children's activities, and they'll even get to see some of the important work that our staff does, like our CCTV trucks, where the cameras can go all the way down in the sewers to look around and see what's happening down there. Then from 1:30 to about 3:30 or so, we'll have the actual tour, and that's for people high school age and older, and they'll get to go around inside the plant and for the tour. About 6 different stops, 4 of them involve the actual water treatment process. So it's going to be a great day, and people are going to learn a lot and see a lot, and they'll have a greater understanding of what happens to their water once it's gone.